game controller for the Switch and PC with DualShock and adjustable turbo function. So you're ready to play some cool games? Well, to play a real good games, what do you need? You need a good controller for your Switch. But my case, I use it for my cell phone and also my Nvidia Shield. Now, if you're a PC gamer, you can also use that too, as long as you have a Bluetooth device right in your PC. So now, let me show you what we get with this controller. Now, with the game controller, USB-C. I love that. Yeah, we want C. No more macro USB. So let's plug it in here. Now, to charge it, pretty simple. You can plug this in a phone charger or right in your PC and plug it in, and it's nice, huh? USB-C, and we see right there blinking the first light, let you know it's charging. So we get this. The full manual, you're going to follow the instructions to pair with your Nintendo Switch. Now the controller itself, it does feel real good grabbing it. It has plenty bond. You have the turbo mode, and we have the home button, so it feels real nice. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna pair this with my cell phone. Now, if you're gonna use it with your cell phone, make sure the games are compatible to use with the controller. There are many games, but some that are not compatible with controller. So pretty simple. To scan Bluetooth, either for PC, for your phone, or Nintendo Switch, you press here once, press for 3 seconds, and see it start blinking, tries to connect, but it's not paired to anything. So we're gonna click here for about 3 seconds, and now move fast. So now we need to pair. So we're gonna search for a new device, Pro Controller. You see how simple? Very simple. Click over here. In a few seconds, we should this stop in a second or so. That's it. We can either press here to go home, or even I can move this and travel to the screens. So let's just load up a game. I got here. Yeah, right there. We can even load the game from here. And as you see here, see? Perfect to play. Now you can play real cool games and your cell phone and your Nintendo Switch and your PC. Now remember, once again, if you're going to be playing with your cell phone, make sure the game is compatible with the game controllers. I need to hit some speed here, but you got the idea, right? Now, the nice thing about this controller, not only, as you see, I was able to use my phone to play games. Now you can play games with your PC, as long as your PC has a Bluetooth device. Definitely your Nintendo Switch. Now also, what I use this to is with my Nvidia Shield. So if you need an extra controller for your Nvidia Shield, well, that's one way. So you can use the same controller in many devices. And I'll show you right now. Very simple. Takes only what, 3 seconds to pair, and you're ready to play some real cool games with the Pro Controller. Thank you. Bye.